Now we understand something important. Max is called the language of the universe. But wait, does that mean Max talks like English? No. Max does not speak with words, it speaks with logic. Let me explain with a situation. Imagine this: you are standing alone, your hands are empty, you enter a deep forest. There is only one entry, no clear exit, no people, no phone. At first, what will you feel? Fear, confusion. Your heart will beat fast. But after some time, will you keep crying? No. Slowly, you will observe. You will look at trees. You will notice water. You will understand which path looks safe. Little by little, you will learn how to survive. And after some days, if a problem comes, rain, wild animal, darkness, you will not panic like the first day because now you understand the system of that forest. You have experience, you have logic. Mathematics is like that forest. At first, it looks scary, numbers everywhere, symbols everywhere, no clear meaning. But when you start understanding slowly, patterns appear, structure appears, confidence appears. To speak mathematics, you must first understand its basic branches, just like learning alphabets before writing sentences. The first and most basic branch is arithmetic. Arithmetic is the survival kit of mathematics: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. If you master arithmetic, you will never feel lost inside the forest of mathematics. And remember, Max does not scare students. Unfamiliar forests do. Once you understand the path, even the forest becomes your home.